Just came out of nowhere, guys. A tornado watch. Fail. Just kidding. Let us fail.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 225.
Failed to activate. Yeah, it failed to activate. But that's cool that we did something that we don't usually do.
Tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Tornado watch is
While severe weather may
Maya.
be imminent, persons should remain alert for
Yes, you
rapid
didn't hear the WX-100 there.
and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay
I want
tuned
you
to
to
know
fail to
weather
activate
radio,
WR-120.
broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 225 has been issued from 3:50 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following county: Mills, Iowa. Tornado Watch number 222 remains.
Let's turn out service. Yeah, we want it to fail, not to go off. So, don't do this to your WR-120s, but anyways, that's it.